So I haven't made a video in so long because I've been focusing on the bros. Go check them out. I'll put it in the description. Actually, just type in ugly blubbers. Remember, ugly blubbers. Do it. Remember, ugly blubbers. Breaking news. Okay, oh shoot, no, that's wrong. Who cares? And the breaking news thing's still there. Oh my god, I didn't even plan this. Oh, I forgot to change skin. Who cares? So, right now I'm at my mom's, but tomorrow I'm going to my dad's, and I have 2 squishies here and 2 squishies there. 2 of them are from my dad's. Less than 8 days, I'm getting 2 jumbo ones that are scented. Probably on Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm getting a squishy at Target, maybe, I don't know. And I have a lot of money, so yeah. But I'm gonna show you my squishies that I brought here for the bros, for the trend thing, and yeah, let's go. Let go! I want you guys to go with me. Go with me. Let go! Again. Okay, so this is the first squishy that I have, and I'm gonna put out. Is this, wait. Shoot. No, it's upside down. It's the Shotkin squishy, and if you're a Shotkins fan, you might recognize this cookie. And yeah, I'm Benny chewed it, and so that's why it's like that, and like this, and this is a secret. But look at it. See right here? See? Look at it. Look. Did you see that? I better not pull on it, guys, because I'm scared I'm gonna rip it. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty squishy, kind of hard. You can play with it. It's kind of a stress. Oh. Wait, wrong mask. Hold up. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty good stress. Pretty good stress. There we go. It's pretty good stress thing. You can yeah, this one's pretty hard, not as soft, but pretty soft. In the middle of slow rising and fast rising. It's in like the middle, because look at it. So. Two shout outs. First, Wenji. I don't know why I'm shouting at her, because on Roblox there was like Wenji YouTuber DIYs. I know her. No, I mean, I've seen her on YouTube, but I don't know if it was actually her. So Wenji, if you're seeing this, write in the comments if you play Roblox. If you don't know what Roblox is, it's a pretty cool game. People that are watching this, Roblox is epic. Roblox is so much fun. If you just download it, you can like create your own guy. You can what? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you can decorate your own character. If you got Roblox, you can go to menu and then catalog, and then you can like search things or buy things for your character. You just say have to buy, but you have to buy Roblox. So Robux. So $2 is 80 Robux. $5 is $400, and I think either $8 or $10 between there. I think it's not $9. Yeah, not $9, but you get 80 Robux. So just if you have an Apple card and you have some money on it, you can go buy that. And if you ask for your parents' permission, you can get Robux. But there's all sorts of like other games on there, so it's pretty cool. Okay, back to it. We're getting so off track. Oh yeah, my next shout out goes to Sooo Kawai because she has tons of squishies. I love her. Go subscribe to her. I'll put it in the description. So as 1G, I think. I don't know. Wait, you guys already probably know. She does DIY stuff, so just go on YouTube, type 1G. But actually, Sooo Kawai, since I'm making a video about squishies, I will, yeah. Okay, my next squishy, I think Sooo Kawai has this. Yeah, she does. I don't know if she has this one. Okay, you guys can't wait any longer. You guys just probably want. Oh yeah, pink. You already know it's pink. If you wanna go back, replay it. I don't know. Okay, so ready? Okay, ready? So it's this, so it's very slow rising, as you guys can see. But here's the bad thing about this. Hold up. It's done rising? Let me see. Yeah, okay, so here's the bad thing. Ready? That. That, that, that right there, and right here, those two, that, and that. So yeah, both of mine right now are just messed up. But I promise my two other ones, okay, I'll give you a spoiler, since my other one that's very small is an emoji. I got it from school. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Oh wait, no I don't. Actually, no I don't. It doesn't involve squishy. Okay, are you ready? Okay. You might know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Oh, you guys already know. Okay, ready? Love doing this. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! Our other one's broke, so this is like the only one we have. So you have to be very careful with this one because you have to be very careful. When we mean very careful, we mean very careful with the camera stick. No, it's not called the selfie stick anymore. It's called the camera stick. Because, like, look at, can't take a selfie. So you can just, or YouTuber stick. Oh, yeah, okay, go in the comments, say if you want it to be a camera stick or a YouTube stick. I think it should be a YouTube stick. But it's up to you guys. I got 2 new subscribers. I think I know who it is. Lucy Edwards and Stella something. I don't know. They're on the bus. I told them to subscribe to me, and they did. Thank you. I'm shouting at you guys right now, even though they're not on YouTube. You guys should get it. Okay, so hopefully you get 2 more because then I'll have 10. And you guys in the comments say what next video I should do next. If you guys want to see more squishies, if you want to see more flexible stuff, if you want whatever you want, I'll do it. Or like a challenge. Yeah. So I know this is over 10 minutes, so I should probably end it because it's gonna take so long. Okay, so bye. No, over 11 minutes. Oh shoot, over 12 minutes probably. Okay, I should probably end it. See you guys all later, and hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and comment down below, please, 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 please. I beg, and bye. Bloopers.